do a full face of makeup with me with my new Rapunzel palette from ColourPop. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing the new ColourPop Rapunzel collab that just came out. One of my friends bought me the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, and the little clip that comes with it, and I wanted to go ahead and test that out with you, and I'm so excited to be doing that today. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my regular skincare and my makeup prep, and then we can jump right into giving this a test. First, we're going to unbox the makeup and take a look at it. I actually haven't opened it at all, so I don't even know what it looks like, but I'm excited to open it up. It's called the Best Day Ever eyeshadow palettes, and they have Max, 18th Birthday, Live Your Dream, Eugene, Blondie, Lost Princess, Magic Hair, Gleam and Glow, Stolen Crown, All Those Days, The Smolder, and Mother Knows Best. The packaging is so cute, and glitter literally just fell out of it, but the packaging is so cute. This is the packaging. And on the back, it just has the same. It has all the names of the colors, and this is what it looks like. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, these are beautiful. Also, look at this little image. Oh my gosh, let me take the plastic off of here and let's take a look. This palette is beautiful and so up my alley. I cannot wait to swatch these. So this is the makeup palette. And then I do also have the Ultra Glossy Lip. This is shade Rapunzel, which that totally makes sense. There's glitter in all of this stuff. It is just like falling off of it. How fun is that? I don't know if you can see it, but like there's so much glitter. This is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in shade Rapunzel. It has Tangled written right here. It does look like it's this pretty pink, and the packaging has the flower from the movie on it. And then of course we have the little Pascal clip here, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? What a cute little clip, and he has a little pan because, you know, he picks it up to threaten Flynn Rider. What a cute little makeup packaging kit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base skincare for makeup, and then we're gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. As far as my base products that I usually use for my face, I start with the Super Goop Glow Screen SPF 40 just all over my face, and then I also do the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. And then for my eyes, I just prime them with my Rare Beauty primer. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that. All right, now that everything is prepped, I'm gonna wait for everything to sort of sink in, and I'm going to swatch all of the colors and see, just on my arm here, and see what they're looking like. So the first one is Max, a glittery pink. I don't know if you can see it on my finger here. It's very, very light. So that might be what's going on. Next is 18th Birthday. Kind of looking like these are easier just to show on my finger. Okay, next is Live Your Dream. That's like a pink glittery. Then we have Eugene, which is this brown skin tone color. Next we have Blondie, which is this beautiful gold color. And then Lost Princess, which is this light purple. We have Magic Hair, which is this sparkly yellow. And this Gleam and Glow, which is this beautiful glittery reddy pinky color. Okay, next is Stolen Crown, which is another glitter. This one's more purple. We have All Those Days, which is this darker purple shimmer. We have The Smolder, which fittingly is this dark brown color. And then last but not least, we have Mother Knows Best, which is this purple, this darker purple color. So that is the full palette. All right, now that everything is primed, I think I just want to go in with the eyeshadow. I don't know if we'll do foundation today. We will see. The sunscreen kind of adds a glow that I like, honestly, so we might just leave it at that. But I am going to go in first with Max in the corner of my eye. I love a little shimmer there, so that's going to be where we're starting. Oh, wow. Look at that shimmer. You couldn't really see it on my finger, but look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful shimmer, okay? Let's do the other eye. Okay, that is a good shimmer. So I think I want to do one of the matte colors just to see what the pigmentation looks like for those. So I think I'm going to go in the middle of my eye with Eugene for a good blending color. I love ColourPop. I use ColourPop so much. I just absolutely have always loved this brand, and I know they've been working on their pigmentation over the past couple of years, and it has gotten much better, and I have really, really enjoyed some of the things that they've been coming out with in the past couple of years, and wow. Okay, that's pretty good. We might need to do another layer, but it is sort of like a light skin tone-y brown. I really do like this Eugene color. I think it's perfect for an everyday look if you didn't want to be too crazy with it. This is like such a good everyday color. But now we're gonna go in with the last shade. All right, to end the look, I think I am gonna go ahead and do Magic Hair on the outside to blend it out. Now I know that might look crazy with the colors that I have right now, but I do wanna try one of the fun glitter shades, and it's not just like the plain glitter one. Like I want to see a pigment with the glitter, and I think the yellow one is a good one to try because yellow is always so light, it's hard to see the pigmentation, so I think this one would be a good one to try for this. So we're going to go ahead and just put that on the edge of our eyes here. Well, you can already see it on the brush, it's pretty pigmented. You can see it a little bit. Let's see. Let me add another layer to it. Oh, there we go. One more layer to it. It is harder to go from a darker shade to a lighter shade usually. Again, I just wanted to do something fun and to try out this shade, but the yellow is coming through pretty good. I actually think this pigmentation's pretty good. Let's do the other side. Make sure we get the crease up here. Doing the pink and the purple and the yellow together would be fun. My boyfriend would hate me though because Lakers. But yeah, okay, let me clean it up a little. All right, and I think I'm gonna go in with Max right up here under my eyebrows. I usually do a little blending there, and so we're going to just add that there to see if this helps blend it out a little bit. On camera, the yellow is really coming through. I love it. I also switched to a different brush just to, you know, not mix it. I think it looks pretty good. With the camera and everything, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's do the rest of my eye makeup and then we'll see where we land with whether we like it or not. I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner, but I have to do this by myself because I can't do this with other people. I have to be alone to do this. All right, eyeliner is done. Now we're gonna go in quickly with my Ilia Mascara Limitless Lash. Add absolutely love this stuff. It's my favorite mascara in the whole world. And then as for my blush, I just have a Make Me Blush nude color that I've been using from Saint Laurent. I've absolutely, is that what this is from? Yeah, Saint Laurent. I've absolutely been loving, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use that again. That blush is very pink and goes with my Rapunzel aesthetic for the night. Next, we're just going to fluff up my eyebrows with my Benefit Goof Proof. Just a little touch up here. And then that's really going to be it. But lastly, we need to do the lip gloss. It's a pinky color. Look at that shimmer. It smells good too. It smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Okay, and then that is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Rapunzel. So this is the full completed look with the new Rapunzel palette that I have here. And of course, I have my little clip here that I could just pull some hair back and put it in a little half up, half down real quick. So we can have a little Pascal moment behind us. Okay. So there's our little clip and our little half up, half down Rapunzel moment. And this is the full face. I absolutely love this look. I cannot wait to wear it out. I think the pigmentation is beautiful. The lip gloss, it is not super sticky. It's super glossy and beautiful. I love the pink color. It's not too much. I love this palette. It's a perfect color for me, honestly. Like, the colors are perfect for me. I love golds and purples and pinks, so I cannot wait to continue to use this. Thank you to my friend who got it for me, and thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a new video every single week. Please comment down below if you had a favorite color, if there's a color in the palette that you would like to use. And yeah, thanks again for watching. See you guys next week.